Hello. Today we're going to learn some simple Spanish phrases you can use to greet people, start a conversation, talk about how you're feeling, and ask for forgiveness or permission.
The first thing is to greet. Easy, we say.
Hola.
Yes, that's simple. If you want to sound a bit fancier, you can add,
Buenos días.
watch out.
Buenos días.
Is only for sunrise until 12 o'clock noon.
After that, if you say Buenos días, people might look at you like you just woke up from a 20-year nap. And remember,
Buenos días.
Also works when we get up, or even to gently wake someone up.
Buenos días, mi amor.
afternoon we say,
Buenas tardes.
we use it until it gets dark.
Buenas tardes.
Is like your buddy, hanging out with you from noon until the sun decides to go to sleep. So enjoy it while it lasts, because when the sun goes down, it's time for
Buenas noches.
It's not used exclusively when we're going to sleep. It's also used to greet people when it's already dark.
You can say,
Buenas noches.
To your neighbor, the delivery person, or even the cat crossing the street, because, hey, the night belongs to everyone. If we want to tell someone we're pleased to meet them, we say,
Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto.
we can also say,
Encantado.
Encantada.
to check in on someone, you can also ask.
¿Cómo estás?
It's like saying, how are you, but with extra Spanish flavor.
¿Cómo estás?
If you want to sound a bit more casual, you can ask.
¿Qué tal?
Kind of like saying, what's up?
¿Qué tal?
Or even,
¿Cómo te va?
which is closer to, how's it going?
¿Cómo te va?
Your answer depends on your mood.
¿Cómo te va?
Muy bien. Muy bien. ¿Cómo estás?
Bien. Bien.
¿Qué tal?
Regular. Regular.
¿Cómo estás?
Mal. Mal.
When someone asks you,
¿Cómo estás?
don't just talk about yourself.
Sure, you can say,
Muy bien.
Bien. Regular.
Mal.
But here comes the secret move. Add a
¿Y tú?
da, which means, and you? It's like the ping pong of conversation. They ask, you answer, and you throw the ball back.
¿Y tú?
If you bump into someone, you say,
Disculpe.
or,
Perdón. Disculpe. Perdón.
and if you're lucky, the other person will smile and say,
No pasa nada.
or,
No hay problema. No pasa nada. No hay problema.
translation. Basically, don't worry, you didn't ruin my day. In Spanish,
Disculpe.
isn't just for apologizing. We also use it when we need to get through a crowd. And here's the twist. We also say,
Permiso.
which is basically your VIP pass to make people move out of the way.
Disculpe. Permiso.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed these basic Spanish greetings. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more useful Spanish phrases. See you next time.